Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at Butler Middle School in Butler, New Jersey, home of the Bulldogs. An incredible, super powerful day. Spoke to grades 5 through 8, and they all touched my heart. There were definitely some tears. The main focus dealt with bullying, but really choosing to see people for their heart before anything else, right? Like the shirt says, the concept of one race human. We see everybody around us as human beings before anything else. And one of the stories I share in particular deals with one of my friends now that was at a soup kitchen where I helped out. But when I first got to know her, she said that she was there a couple of months prior and serving what was on the menu that day randomly, but then looked across the counter and actually saw her brother that she hadn't seen in over 10 years, and he had become homeless himself, and her heart just sank. But she went across the counter, hugged him, cried, embraced. But the whole point of the story was that that's how we should be treating everybody all the time, like they're our brother, like they're our sister. Treat everybody like you would treat your best friend, right? And the main concept, I tried to even build upon that today, really focuses in on seeing people as true miracles, right? The M on all of our palms, etched on our palms, mine's traced there, but with the lines of our hand, the M, which stands for miracle, upside down, W for worthy. Had a few students that just shared, some of their self-doubt, a little bit of non-love going on in their hearts, and that they can't really, they don't really feel like they're good enough. But the whole idea is that no matter how many of us surround you and tell you that you're wonderful, that you are an amazing person and a true miracle, you have to ultimately buy that yourself, to believe that you are good enough, and then know that this world needs you so desperately that now you have to come out and become healed, be that healed person to help heal other people, and really share your heart with others. So many that always say that, you really touched my heart, Mr. Peace, and all the bracelets I wear are a symbol of that. Gifts from students that said that I really am going to be imprinted on their heart for the rest of their life. The whole idea is that if something I did share touched your heart to that level, that means you have a big heart, and now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you treat people, that you still show that same level of kindness that was shown to you to help heal your heart in the beginning, right? To always show that peace, compassion, empathy to no matter who we meet, whatever walk of life, no matter how someone's born or what they're going through, whatever storm, that we always choose love over hate, and we can really always choose kindness. So thanks again for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. I hope to come back again soon to do some hip hop again and some rap, but more importantly, share my heart again. So thanks again. Hope to see you soon. Peace.